Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. Start by powering off your HP 15 laptop and unplugging it from any power source. Remove the battery if applicable, to prevent any electrical damage during the process. Next, identify and remove the screws located on the back panel of the laptop. Typically, there are around 10 screws securing the back cover. As you remove each screw, place them in a container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic prying tool to gently separate the back cover from the laptop chassis. Be cautious and work slowly to avoid damaging the clips that hold the cover in place. With the back cover off, locate the screen assembly. You'll see several screws holding the screen in place. Carefully remove these screws, making sure to remember their positions. If you're unsure, take a picture for reference later. After removing the screws, gently pull the screen away from the hinges, but be cautious of the display cable still connected at the bottom. Disconnect the display cable by carefully lifting the connector from its socket. If you encounter resistance, check for any locking mechanisms that may be holding it in place. Once disconnected, set the old screen aside and prepare the new screen for installation. Before attaching the new screen, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of the laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust and debris, especially around the fan and heat sinks. A clean environment helps maintain optimal performance. Now, take the new screen and align the display cable with the connector on the motherboard. Press down gently until you feel it click into place. Next, secure the screen back into the hinges with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned correctly to avoid putting unnecessary stress on the screen. After securing the screen, reattach the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Replace the screws in their original positions to ensure the cover is securely fastened. If you find this process challenging or lack the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Furthermore, our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transportation. With our service, you can avoid the hassle of no calls, no travel, and receive a quote before repair, ensuring transparency throughout the process. Lastly, reinsert the battery if applicable, plug in your laptop, and power it on. Check the new screen for any issues. Make sure to navigate through the operating system to confirm the display is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, congratulations on successfully replacing your HP 15 series screen. This repair not only saves you money but also extends the life of your device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.